A blinking red light on your Spectrum modem typically indicates a no signal or provisioning issue. This means your modem isn't able to connect to Spectrum's network or hasn't been properly activated. Provisioning is the process of registering your modem's MAC address with Spectrum's servers. Common causes include loose or damaged coaxial cables, outdated modem firmware, or account-related issues. The modem requires a stable downstream signal and authentication on Spectrum's network to function. When the modem can't sync with the CMTS, the red light starts blinking. First, check your coaxial cable connections. Ensure they are securely connected to both the modem and the wall outlet and that the cable isn't damaged. Next, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resets the modem and can resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists, use the Spectrum app or website to run self-diagnostics. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum support for remote reprovisioning. Advanced users can check cable signal strength. Ideal levels are between -10 and +10 dBm. Remember to check Spectrum's outage map for any reported issues in your area. Fixing this problem may be as simple as power cycling the modem, but may require a call to Spectrum support to reprovision the modem.